Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get back or restore Wordpad software missing from the latest version of Windows 11 operating system. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me try to search for Wordpad. So you can see here, there is no such Wordpad software available on my respective Windows 11 operating system. So in the latest Windows 11 operating system, the Wordpad software has been removed officially. So in order to get back or restore Wordpad software, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description. So you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just hit enter. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Let's just double click it to run this software installer. Now just type Wordpad. As you can see here, it's written. You need to type Wordpad in order to install it. And after that, click on OK. So finally the installation has been completed. Now let us check if the Wordpad software has been installed successfully or not. Now just click on this Windows Start menu icon. And let us search again for Wordpad. Voila. Now you can see here, Wordpad name is showing up. Now let us click on it. Now you can see the actual Wordpad, which was missing from the latest Windows 11 operating system, has been installed again. Now you can type anything, whatever you want to type. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get back or restore Wordpad software missing from the latest version of Windows 11 operating system very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.